Hey guys, welcome to my channel Lot of Fun's Mind. Shivansh here, and today in this video I will show you how to run Windows 11 but without even downloading any software or having a proper PC. So you can run this trick on any device. So when we go into this website, it says even Microsoft couldn't make it far with Windows on a phone, then how could I? And there's a button for proceed anyway, so we are going to click on that. After clicking on that, we see Windows 11 in front of us. On the right side, we see the notification panel, and on the left hand side, there's a Windows 11 user interface. So let's try if like touch and clicking works. So I'm gonna click on the Windows 11 icon over on the left hand side. So when I click on that, this also works, guys. So let me try opening Word. So when we try opening Word, it doesn't. I think this doesn't work. So let's try opening Edge this time. Oh, Edge works. So when we search YouTube, we get the search results too. So even Edge works on Windows 11 on a mobile. So I'm on an Android device. Now let's try opening File Explorer. So it's like coming soon. So not many features are there, but yeah, you can try it. Now let's try opening Microsoft Store and see what's in there. Does it work or no? So yeah, guys, this works. Like there are many apps: Netflix, WhatsApp, Telegram, Facebook, Amazon Prime, and many others too. So now let's try something else, something that is not made really for a Android device. For example, VS Code, it's not really made for a mobile device. So let's try opening that. Oh guys, VS Code user interface is loading. So I guess this opens. Yeah guys, this is opening. So guys, I'm gonna check out these all. So guys, this is working perfectly. So now I'm gonna close the VS Code. So this is a good website for trying Windows 11. You can go ahead and try on that, like how the Windows 11 looks, how the user interface is, and how the touch and all works.